Hi, I'm Thistle Elias. I direct the Evaluation Certificate here at Pitt Public Health. This is a certificate that can help you build one of the most portable skill sets possible as a professional. So what is evaluation? Well, evaluation is looking at a program systematically, carefully, determining what parts of a program work well, work less well. Why would we want to do this? Well, obviously to improve program design, how it's implemented, ultimately to be able to demonstrate the impact of a program. So the evaluation certificate is fairly comprehensive. We have sequenced courses and we require a very robust practicum, all designed to help students become professional program evaluators if they choose, or when embedded in any program, to have the skill set and the knowledge to be able to evaluate their own programming. Students in this certificate learn how to design community-based program evaluations from an ecological perspective. What do we mean by that? It means that we take into consideration a wide variety of stakeholders, from participants all the way up through and to funders and policymakers. We take a very practical and very applied approach in our evaluation certificate. We ensure that students learn quantitative and qualitative evaluation approaches, process and outcome evaluations. Some of you have heard of formative and summative evaluations. We ensure that students get very competent in building logic models and working with indicators, SMART objectives. And we spend a fair amount of time ensuring that students understand what are appropriate data sources, the best collection methods, analysis approaches, and reporting in different ways for different audiences. So what is required? Like all certificate programs here, it is a 15-credit certificate. We have students take applied research, followed by introduction to evaluation. We bring community organizations into the Intro to Evaluation class to discuss their evaluation needs and give students a real-world sense of evaluation application. After these two courses, students are prepared to dive into their practica. We'll talk more about that in a moment. The Advanced Evaluation Seminar is something that students take typically after they have done at least a significant portion of their practica. It's basically a culminating class with lots of opportunity to discuss the challenges of doing evaluation. And we have 6 elective credits that we are excited to encourage students to take a wide variety of courses. We have 1, 2, and 3 credit classes as electives to really help students build the best evaluation toolbox for themselves, for their interests and for their needs. Just some of the electives include qualitative methods such as focus group classes, community-based participatory research, concept mapping, GIS, systems analysis, and survey methods, among others. And then a 400-hour evaluation practicum is necessary because that's how you really learn how to do evaluation. The difference between what you've learned in class and the opportunity to test it is significant. Here's a list, just a short list, of some of the many different types of practica that students have had in the city, outside of the city, in the state, and internationally. We've had students typically do their practical experiences across more than one site, typically two, so that they can have exposure to the different types of learning that they want based on the types of needs that any given organization has. So this could include, for instance, a community needs assessment before a program has been fully crafted, all the way through working with an organization to help evaluate the processes that are in place and how well those are going, to working with an organization to develop a report going out to funders demonstrating the outcomes of their work. We're excited about our evaluation certificate and very happy to answer any of your questions about it. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me at elias@pitt.edu. We look forward to seeing you.